Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pranati, pursuing my computer science and engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about solar energy. Let the sun shine. An introduction to solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable, clean and abundant source of power that can help reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. In this presentation, we'll explore how solar panels work and why they're a key component of a sustainable future. Now, let's see how solar panels work. Photovoltaic cells. Silicon cells in solar panels absorb photons from sunlight, freeing electrons from atoms and generating direct current, electricity. Now let's move on to inverters. Inverters to turn DC electricity into AC or alternating current electricity. Inverters are used to convert the current to be compatible with the electricity grid. The next one is net metering. Surplus power from solar panels can be sold back to the grid, credited to the owner's account, or rolled over the other billing cycles. Solar energy has several advantages, including being a renewable and sustainable source, producing no greenhouse gas emissions during operations, reducing electricity bills for users, requiring minimal maintenance, and contributing to the energy independence. Furthermore, solar power helps diversify the energy mix, reducing dependence on finite fossil fuels. It also creates job opportunities in the growing solar industry and promotes energy independence for individuals and nations. The technology is continuously improving, making solar energy increasingly efficient and cost effective over time. In addition, solar energy systems often have a long lifespan, providing a reliable and consistent source of power. They can be deployed in both urban and remote areas, contributing to electrification efforts in underserved regions. The decentralization of energy production with solar panels can enhance grid resilience and decrease transmission losses. Lastly, solar technologies such as photovoltaic cells have minimal impact on the environment compared to some other forms of energy generation. There are some advantages of solar energy. Clean energy. Solar energy doesn't produce pollution, reduce reliance on finite resources, and doesn't contribute to climate change. Savings. Investing in solar energy is often more cost effective in long run and produces savings on energy bills. Next is versatility. Solar panels can be used in variety of settings and can also be scaled up or down depending on energy demands. There are few disadvantages and challenges of solar energy. Intermittent. Solar panels can only generate electricity during daylight hours and may be affected by inclement weather. Space. Solar panels can take up a lot of space and may not be practical in areas with limited space or complex landscapes. Upfront costs. The initial investment required to install solar panels can be expensive, although prices have been decreasing steadily. The next one is recycling. Solar panels have a limited lifespan and require proper recycling to avoid ending up in landfills. There are few more impacts on environment of solar energy. They are the manufacturing processes of solar panels involves the use of certain materials and chemicals, leading to environmental concerns and potential ecological impacts. Furthermore, the energy intensive manufacturing process of solar panels contributes to a carbon footprint, and the extraction of certain raw materials like silicon can have environmental effect impacts. Aesthetic concerns and land use conflicts may rise, especially in densely populated areas, where residents may oppose the installation of solar infrastructure due to visual or space considerations. Applications of solar energy: residential, commercial, transportation, and rural communities. In residential, solar panels can provide electricity to homes, allowing homeowners to reduce their reliance on the grid and save money in the long run. The second application is commercial. Many businesses are turning to solar energy to power their operations and reduce their environmental footprints. The third one comes transportation. Solar powered vehicles such as cars, buses, boats are increasingly popular and use solar panels to change their batteries and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Rural communities. Solar energy can help provide electricity to remote areas without access to the grid, allowing for greater economic and social development. The future of solar energy in the world. Of course, the solar energy is the future due to some of the applications called increased adoption, city-wide adoption, and research and development. In increased adoption, as the cost of the solar panels continues to decrease and technology continues to improve, solar energy is becoming more accessible and attractive as an energy source. Citywide adoption. Many cities around the world are adopting solar energy on a large scale, integrating solar powered infrastructure and public transportation to reduce their carbon footprint. The next one is research and development. Investments in research and development are leading to innovations in solar technology, such as flexible and transparent solar panels and more efficient storage solutions. Conclusion and call to action. Solar energy is a vital component of a more sustainable and environmentally conscious future. By investing in solar technology and adopting it on a larger scale, we can help reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Let's work together to make a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you.